family. I am filming today at my office. So change of scenery. I hope this is looking kind of nice, and also the lighting. As you know, I'm super new to YouTube, so I'm still trying to figure out things and making sure I'll absorb all the tips and strategies that I'm sharing on this channel. So let me know in the comments if you love this setup. I'd love to hear from you. Let's get started. So switching your LinkedIn profile from the standard professional networking setting to creator mode was all the buzz in an effort to shift the perception of LinkedIn only being known as the platform where professional network and looking for jobs. LinkedIn actually introduced creator mode, a way for members to become content creators on this platform and help LinkedIn become the destination for engaging and inspiring content other than just industry news and job posting. So let's talk about the big elephant in the room. What does LinkedIn creator mode exactly means for you? Does switching your setting make sense for your LinkedIn personal brand or your business? Before I answer that, I want to share some essential information about content creator mode. Here's what we're going to talk about. What exactly is LinkedIn creator mode? Should I turn it on? The pros of LinkedIn content creator mode features. The pros of creator tools include: the con is it reformat your LinkedIn profile. Another con, do you create enough? So let's get started at the top. What is creator mode on LinkedIn? Also, I want you to stay all the way until the end because I'm going to give you my ultimate rock your LinkedIn profile checklist this year, so you might want to stick around. Hi, I'm Salina, the founder of the In Academy. I built a 6-figure business in just 2 years using LinkedIn and LinkedIn only. We help entrepreneurs to build impactful personal brand that win eyeballs, trust, and clients, all with 100% organic marketing on LinkedIn. We help entrepreneurs to focus on what matters most, yet is often neglect: personal brands. People buy from people. My number one goal on this YouTube channel is to document my own journey, share what's working and what's not, take out all the guesswork for you to build a successful brand on LinkedIn. I believe in making LinkedIn work for you. All right, let's dive into today's topic. So what exactly is creator mode on LinkedIn? Creator mode is a profile setting for LinkedIn members who create content regularly and wanted to grow an audience with their content specifically. The creator mode setting enables members to really create and publish content in various formats and focuses on creating a following by highlighting a person's content activity. So going back to the elephant in the room, should I turn on creator mode? The bigger questions I want you to ask yourself is, what are your goals for being on LinkedIn? If you're looking to grow your professional network by being mindful and intention with who you want to connect, then creator mode might not be the ideal setting for you. You might want to stick with the traditional setting, which is the connection button instead. Strategically adding keywords and phrases to your profile can really help you to boost your visibility and discoverability on LinkedIn. But if you're looking to grow an audience and cultivate a following to establish your personal brand and services through your own content, then creator mode is a really good option for you. Wait, some caveats still need to be considered before switching to a creator mode on. I'm sharing some setback you might want to consider. Let's go over the benefit and the features of LinkedIn creator mode first. Not sure if your LinkedIn profile is up for par for optimal visibility and reach on this platform? Then go and grab my ultimate LinkedIn profile checklist right here for this year, most updated one, to see if your profile is even at rockstar status. So let's come back. The pro, LinkedIn creator mode feature. When you switch your profile setting to LinkedIn creator mode, you can toggle it to the on from professional to creator mode. It automatically turns on feature and changes your profile layout instantly. Here's the rundown of what you will get with creator mode on. The ability to select and display 5 different hashtags below your headline shows your follower the topic that you're focusing on. You can also film 30 seconds video, what LinkedIn call the profile story, and your profile pictures will automatically place when someone lands to your LinkedIn profile. Instead of a connect button, it turns to follow. And for every post you create, a follow button is placed at the top right right corner, and your profile feature section is placed higher at the top feature selected post, encouraging people to follow your content. As for the activity section, it's featured your post instead of your engagement activity. So, do you notice a recurring theme right here? It's all about creating content and grow your network with fans of your posts. Another big thing of switching on LinkedIn creator mode is the tools that you get access to. Remember, the whole point of creator mode is for you to publish content on the platform in a variety of ways, making it very easy for you to cultivate an audience. So when it comes to creator mode, you will have the ability to publish two types of content. Number one, your own LinkedIn newsletter to send to your followers. Number two, you can access to stream live on LinkedIn from your LinkedIn profile. And before creator mode was even available, you need to apply to these features and content creation tools, but now it's available for you 24/7. So turn on the setting if you want to get access to these two tools. So let's talk about newsletter. Newsletter is really a great way for people to understand your expertise better and build your thought leadership. If appropriately strategized and scheduled consistently, is really an excellent way to stay on top of your audience mind and get into people's notification. As for streaming live on LinkedIn, it's a fantastic way to grow your audience, and I love it, especially if you invite other members as a guest or a co-host. Adding them to your LinkedIn Live really helps you to bring the awareness of your professional brand and to increase your exposure to a new audience. But you might need a consistent show schedule because you can't build an audience without they don't know when you're going live. Just like me, I am doing this video on YouTube every single week. So let's talk about the cons of switching content creator mode. Is that it will automatically reprioritize your profile format. This is really the most significant change between the standard setting to creator mode. It's really a shift to the about section. It dropped further to the profile sequence, allowing the feature section and the activity section to be viewed first. These sections display our best and most current posts. So what does that mean? If you don't have a post with good engagement or fair amount of likes or comments, then this might not be the best impression for your LinkedIn profile. People like or sometimes needed social proof from others, and if your posts are just okay or maybe no likes, this might have people questions about your authority and popularity in your industry. I know, that sounds pretty harsh, right? You can't control how people think or react, but you do have control over what they see on your LinkedIn profile. But with an optimized and well-written about section and SEO-friendly headline would serve as a better first impression. You have a much better chance of winning them over with how you can help them, because that's really why they took the time to check out your LinkedIn profile to learn what's in for them. Another con of switching on content creator mode is that if you don't create enough content, if you create fewer than 2 posts per week and haven't developed a strong brand message or focus on pillar content topics, the creator mode feature would be wasted. If you're just going to wing it or access a newsletter or live streaming, won't be actually that effective because your audience are not warm up. And without a clear focus on topic of discussion or what you want to talk about or write about, it would really confuse your audience and about your brand in general, losing trust and authority factor. So having the 5 hashtags with your LinkedIn profile would be counterproductive if you have less than 3,000 connections, as your content won't be discoverable or featured anyway. So there you have it. At a face value, switching your profile to creator mode may sound like a great idea, but it's not as great for those who don't post consistently at least twice a week and have no desire to create content beyond that everyday post. Your LinkedIn profile will be giving up valuable real estate if the about section drop further down. Remember, most people searching and finding your LinkedIn profile will only scan for a few seconds. So if your summary converts prospect into clients, why move it? I'm not against LinkedIn creator mode. In fact, I'm a huge supporter of this, but it should only be an option for people committed to create content consistently on LinkedIn. So if your goals is to grow an audience, not mindfully build connection, one qualified connection at a time, one more LinkedIn insight and how to optimize your time and energy from an actual ex-LinkedIner, and learn more about our LinkedIn signature program, check out this link below. Hey, they don't call me the LinkedIn biggest cheerleader for nothing. I'm here to provide you valuable tips to build an engaging following on LinkedIn and honest insight and perspective on how to scale and grow your business online. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Comment the keyword insider in the comment section below so I know you got to this point. If you love this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. Check out everything in the links below so you won't miss out on any juicy stuff or my LinkedIn video. We will have another video, so stay tuned and I cannot wait to see you next week, Insider. Bye for now.